Good noon, everyone. My name is Jemrick Tikaliu, and I want to present my presentation. Story number first is addition. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 or carry 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let's try. For example, this 1010 plus 1001. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Borrow 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So borrow 1. Let's try binary numbers for decimal. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So ang atong po dito ay gano is an 8 2 kay mula iya an 1 10. Okay, ato ni siya kukuhaon is 8 16 plus 2 and plus 1 is equal to 19. Okay, same siya. Amo ito na natin decimal value 19. And another, let's have 100 101 plus 101 111. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Borrow 1, and 1 plus 0 plus 1 0. Borrow 1, another 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Other borrow 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Another borrow 1, and 0 plus 0 1. And then 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Another borrow 1, and then copy 1 1 0. Okay, and then 1 2 4 8 16 and 32 and then 64. Okay, ang aton sinig is 1 la, ignore the 0. 37 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 47. And then okay, aton niniig ubos kung mao ba 84 ba 64. Wait, kung same ba siya, kung tama 64 plus 16 plus 4 is equal to okay 84. Same siya. Okay, check. And another, okay, binary multiplication. 1 times 0 is equal to 0, and 0 times 1 is equal to 0. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 0 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay, let's have another example. For example is 110 times 10. Okay, 0 times 0 is equal to 0. 0 times 1 is equal to 0. 0 times 1 is equal to 0. Okay, 1 times 0, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay, plus copy 0 and 0 and then 1. Okay, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and then 2 is equal to 12. Okay, let's have check and answer. 1100 is 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, same ang naton answers didi. um um okay, let's have another example. 1011 times 1. Okay, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 1 is 1, and then 0, and then 1 is another copy. 1, 1, and then 0, and then 1. Okay, let's have an addition. Copy 1, then 1, 0 bar 1. Let's have an addition, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 bar 1. Okay, 0 bar 1, then 0 bar 1, and then 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 bar 1. So matik na butang an 1 kay wala naman kit diri mabutangan. Is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and then 32. Ignore the 0 again. 1, 2, 8 is equal to 11 times 3 is equal to 33. Okay, check natin kung sakto natin answer or same. 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. Okay, same man natin ano didi. Again, ignore the 0 and first and 1 mo lang natin i-compute kaya kung nanon ada dita. Okay, binary subtraction. The binary subtraction is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to 0 or borrow. Magbaborrow kita nga di sa ano or 2 borrow, and then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, let's have an example of subtraction. And for example is 1, 0 minus 1. 1 minus 1, so din natin siya mag-ano. So magbaborrow kita sa 1. Borrow 1, 0. So didikit mag-ano sa 2 is 2. So 1 itong siya, matik itong siya 1. Okay, and then 0. Okay, let's have an ano kung same ba. 1 and then 2. So ang natin dito compute is 1 la is 2. Tapos din nga 1 is 1. 1 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so i-compute ni nga aton ano kung same ba. Okay, let's have another sample. Okay, so magbaborrow kita dito sa ano sa 1. Borrow 1, 0 and bar 0 is equal to 2. So diri malagap siya naton ma-compute 0 man lagi hapon, so magbabaro kita didi sa 2, is may man siya 1 and then 0 baro is 2. Okay, 1 and then 0 and then 0. So okay, let's have an kung same ba naton answer. Mag is 1 2 4 8 nato din ang computer is 1 and 8 is equal to 9, and then minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, and then okay, let's have an consume back. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, binary division. Our example is 1 0 0 1 1 1 is divide 1 1. Okay, and 1 1, so and then divide 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay,